In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Chime. Chime is a popular online banking platform known for its no-fee services, and it's a great option for anyone looking to simplify their banking experience. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and type in chime.com. You'll find yourself on their homepage, which is filled with information about their services. Chime is quite transparent about its features, such as no monthly maintenance fees and fee-free overdrafts, as well as its tools for building credit, which makes it an appealing choice for many. Once you're on their homepage, look for the section that talks about checking accounts and click on it. You're taken to a new page dedicated to their checking account services. This page gives you a clear breakdown of what Chime has to offer and how their account can fit your banking needs. It's a fantastic place to explore their features like instant notifications, access to more than 60,000 fee-free ATMs, and their easy money-saving options. After you familiarize yourself with the checking account features, it's time to start the process of setting up your account. You'll see a prominent button that says Get Started. Once you click on that, Chime will guide you through the account setup process. You'll need to provide some basic information to get things moving. This includes your full name, email address, and the creation of a secure password. Remember to choose a strong password that isn't easily guessed to protect your account. Following this step, Chime will prompt you to enter more personal information like your home address and social security number. This information is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring that your account remains secure. As with any online form that requires sensitive information, make sure you're on a secure network when applying. Now that your basic information is in place, it's time to proceed with creating your account. The platform usually processes applications fairly quickly. In some cases, additional information or steps might be required, like verifying your email address or phone number, so keep an eye on your email or phone for any updates from Chime during this process. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email and your new Chime checking account will be ready to use. You can now download the Chime app for easier access on your mobile device, allowing you to manage your finances on the go, deposit checks, and even set up direct deposit to get your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than with traditional banks. And that's it. You've successfully opened a checking account online with Chime. Enjoy the benefits of modern banking without the hassle of traditional fees. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your banking journey.